Hello lovers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how I prepare my Nigeria fried rice. Please stay tuned, subscribe, like and on the notification bell so that anytime I upload any video you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you. This is my red pepper, carrots, yellow pepper, green pepper, beans, green beans, chicken maggi, salt, curry, this is curry, chili pepper, gizzard, I slice my gizzard, onions, chicken stock, and groundnut oil. Please stay tuned and join me as we cook. In here I have my rice. So right now I'm going to be putting my chicken stock, my maggi, pepper, salt and curry, onions, then you stir. You add the water. You have to allow the water to cover the rice. That will be enough. Then you stir it properly. Then you cover it and allow it to cook for like 30 minutes. Okay, this is after 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add the pepper. The pepper. So you stir. There's the green pepper, the red, and the yellow pepper. So you stir and allow it to cook for like 10 minutes. It has been cooking, the rice was cooking about 15 minutes now. So I like to cook to 10 to 15 minutes. I have my green beans and carrots. As you can see, I'm frying it. To fry this, you have to have a little groundnut oil. You allow it to hot a little bit. Then you add the carrots and the green beans. Then start to fry. So I added the carrots, the green beans, and the fried gizzard. So right now I have to stir. After that, the fried rice is ready. It's ready to eat. This is the outcome of the fried rice, as you can see. Let me take a bite. Tastes nice, guys. Please subscribe, like, and don't forget to try my recipe and leave a message behind. Thank you.